What's up guys, welcome to my channel Shubh Yatra, and today I am here this beautiful beach, East Coast Park Side Beach, which is one of the longest beach in Singapore, and generally it is known for a lot of water sports activity. And there apart from that, there are many more sports that you can come here, you can enjoy. Water sports is now not available because of COVID-19, and probably it is closed now. But apart from that, since let me turn my camera and okay, let me turn my camera this way. Okay, here, yeah, here. So behind me it's a long trail. So generally this is around 2 kilometers of walking, and you can generally do the skating. That road is very famous among all the skaters. Apart from that, you can bring your tent, you can spend night here, you can enjoy the beautiful stars at night. Apart from that, there are a lot of activities that you can do on this beautiful beach and this beautiful sea. You can enjoy it a lot. You can spend quality time with your friends, family member, your kids. Then apart from that, you cook yourself, then bring the food. You sit on this park behind me. There is a park, so you sit there, you enjoy your delicious food over here. And yeah, there are many more activities. So meanwhile I am leaving you here. You just enjoy this beautiful breathtaking views, and I will be back. Hope you enjoyed this beautiful views. And last year I came here, not last year, this year I only came in 2020 January, around maybe 11 January. And after that COVID came, so I didn't get a chance to come here. Then I went to Dubai, where because of COVID-19 I stuck there. I spent around more than 6 months in Dubai, and now I got today time to come here. And yeah, this is very nice place, man. Whenever you come in Singapore, you come here once, you bring your family, your kids, you enjoy here a lot. More than 2 kilometer trail, which starts from that side, and it connects to Marina Bay Sands, that garden by the way. If you see my previous video, I have already covered that garden by the way, the OCBC Sky Park. That video you can refer. And this walking behind me, it directly connects there. And if I talk about the total distance, it is approx, I guess, 2.5 kilometers, max to max 3 kilometers. So you can you can start here, you can go by run, by cycling or by skating, whatever you prefer, you can start and you can directly reach to there also. Okay guys, so this is the part that you can do a lot of activity here in the evening. You can do jogging, cycling, apart from that skating, a lot of activity you can do here. It's very nice place, and especially to keep you busy, healthy, and yeah, you must come here in the evening. Guys, I really love nature. I love to go at hiking site like mountain areas and seaside. So whenever I come at seaside, I really enjoy. I am a nature lover, guys. I mean, it attracts more than anything else. In my life, I want to travel. I want to go alone, longer and longer on mountain areas, seaside, inside the sea, on deep ocean. I want to do like scuba diving. So all this kind of activity, it attracts me a lot. I'm feeling so amazed and fresh after coming beach side. This beautiful air is blowing, so pleasant air is blowing, and I'm really feeling very fresh here. Okay guys, so you can also do fishing here. You see just behind me, there are a lot of people, they are enjoying with fishing. So just take your stick, grab your fishing stick, and come here and enjoy with the fishing. And meanwhile, see, you just take a view of this sunset, and I will be back. I'm also also going to watch the fishing. I'm also going to see now fish, how they are fishing. Okay guys, so one thing I forgot to tell you, that you can scan these kind of bikes here, these bikes, and then you can scan it. There is some cost, charge is fixed as per how many hours you are taking a ride. So you can come, and there is a one small app that you need to scan it. After scanning that, the lock will be unlocked, and then you can take this bicycle and you can take a ride, beautiful ride. And this kind of it has various stations, so where you can park this bicycle. So after cycling and swimming, if you feel tired, you feel hungry, there are food courts, a lot of outlets are available like Starbucks, and behind me this is a Basel. Okay, and there are a lot of outlets available, so you can dine here, you can just kill your hunger. Okay guys, so now this vlog is going to be end, and if you like my channel, then please do subscribe my channel, share within your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon as well. And okay, so next week I am going to take you on another beautiful place, all of you guys. Until the time, bye bye, happy weekend, enjoy your Sunday, bye bye.